Hi friends, this is Miss Elena from the Farmingdale Public Library, and we're here today to make beautiful bottom blossoms. So all you'll need is some paint. I have red, blue, and green here, and a bottle with a bottom that is not flat. Like as you can see here, there's ridges and bumps at the bottom of this bottle. I have another one here that doesn't have as many deep bumps, but it still has ridges that we could use to paint with. Okay, so basically, very easy. What you're going to do is take one of the bottles, choose a color you like. I'm going to take the blue. I'm going to lightly press the bottle bottom into the blue paint, and I'm going to make my flowers. There's one flower, two flowers. I'm going to switch it and use red paint for my other flowers. And I'm just going to press evenly. See, there's my red flower. I put one here maybe. There you go. And I'm going to use this bottle that's not as deep with green. And I'm going to make green flowers. Let's see how this one's going to come out. Okay. All right. And there's my green flowers. And then what you can do after is take a little skinny paintbrush. You can draw stems. I'm going to use the green again. And I'm going to draw my stems. Here's a stem for one flower. I'm going to draw a stem for this flower here. One for here. I'm going to draw a stem here, coming down this way, right behind this flower. And what you can also do is just do little branches like this that could be like little leaves. Put some leaves here. I'm going to give this one a long leaf. There's another one. See, and you can put them in bunches or you can put them standalone. Here's some that I made last week that I could show you in my virtual program. And I did put little centers in them, and I did actually draw a butterfly. And this one, I kind of made a bouquet of red flowers. I added a butterfly here, and I even drew a little bee at the top. So this is very easy to do. You can use any colors you want. You can mix colors if you want to. You can make the stems any color you want to. But this will take a little time to dry, but it's a nice way to spend the day in the afternoon when you want to make a bunch of flowers. But maybe perhaps you don't know how to draw flowers. So if you don't, then this is a wonderful way by stamping with paint to make beautiful flowers. See you next time. Bye-bye.